Hello YouTubers, Toby Till here with Rocky Mountain Snow MX. We are here to provide you with all of your snow bike related technical videos and also any parts or accessories you may need for your snow bike. Feel free to give us a call. 720-263-7533. Hello YouTubers, Toby here with Rocky Mountain Snow MX. Wanted to give you a little instructional video of how to properly set up your AER air forks that you get for us. We install a bypass relief valve in the bottom of the forks. That way if you're out and you have air bypass the piston, this is what you can do manually in the field. So here's how you set up your air forks, whether they're bypassed or whether you get them straight from us. So here's what the first thing that you do. If you have a bypass and you want to reset your forks to 0, bring the front end off the ground, and once your front end is off the ground, you can, with a flat tip of something, depress the Schrader valve. At the bottom of the fork will be the Schrader. This will relieve any air pressure on the bottom of the piston that has been bypassed. Once you relieve that pressure, you then bring your pump and you pump it right back up to where you want to be. For a 200-pound rider, I recommend starting at 195. So we're going to pump this up to 195. Once we're at 195, we're going to go ahead and let the bike back down. Now, if you listen closely, as soon as I get on the bike, you will actually hear air transfer from the main piston chamber through the bypass, through the relief, and into the balance chamber. Listen closely. Now, we have equalized the air in the main air chamber and the bypass chamber. And you can just do that quickly by putting some weight on it, bouncing up and down. And you'll see my air pressure dropped about 12 PSI down to 182 when it's sitting there. Now, to properly set your air pressure, you want to bring it back up off the ground and pump back up to your desired air pressure. So if you want it to be 195, you bring it back up off the ground after you balance the air chambers and bring it back up to 195. And then it should ride there, whether it's in the balance or in riding areas, because you have this much volume in your fork and you've equalized it. Now you will always have air pressure on the bottom. Once your balance chamber is full, once your balance chamber is full of air, you will always have air here on the bottom, no matter when you push it. But if you have too much air down there and you've had a bypass and you can't get the forks all the way to extend again, because you have too much air on top of the piston, that's why I put that relief valve in the bottom. So it's just a fail-safe. Now, if you do notice that you're riding a little low, you've got your air pressure is good, you don't have any leaks, and you're riding a little low, just simply lift your bike off the ground completely, and you will get to the relief dimple in the piston, and you will equalize your bypass chamber and your main chamber. So there's just a little trick for you. If you feel like you're riding a little low, don't necessarily just start adding more air. Get it back up into that relief. Let the bypass chamber and the main chamber equalize pressures so that you can go on. Then you can check your pressure again. But once you're in this mode of both chambers being full, you should be able to take your bike, bring it to the air pressure that you want, go ride it, hook back up with the front forks off the ground. Now, always do this with the front forks off the ground. And you should be right back to the same pressure that you set it at with this procedure. Hopefully this helps you out a lot with your AER air forks on snow bikes. Have a great day. Hello YouTubers, Toby Till here with Rocky Mountain Snow MX. We are here to provide you with all of your snow bike related technical videos and also any parts or accessories you may need for your snow bike. Feel free to give us a call. 720-263-7533.